Yes,
Really?
the boule lyonnaise is typically from Lyon, it's the same thing. So,
I thought but pétanque is from Saint-Tropez, right? From the south.
Pétanque is the south.
Right. Okay.
Marseille, Côte d'Azur, and in Lyon, you will Google this, the boule lyonnaise. So funny.
Sounds like boule.
Only old people with cups.
We have pétanque parties every weekend.
That's so funny. Let me see what's going on with Courtney.
Don't record in case it's bad.
Here we go. Your baby is right here. You see this tiny thing? With a little heart in the middle? This is the one that will wake up you the night. And that you will love so much. Yeah, you're 7 weeks and 6 days, so it's 8 weeks, it's the same.
Okay.
Okay, you have the uterus in the back, so I push a little bit. You okay? I can do it?
Yeah.
So there is only one, it's just in the corner, wants to hide. You have a shy baby. Baby, you will have to play pétanque.
Can we teach the baby now?
Yeah, you can talk about this to your baby. It's fine. You have a 15 millimeters baby. Okay, let me put some.
That little circle right there?
Okay, your baby is alive, heart beating. It's
That was
normal.
the heartbeat?
Perfect. You have a very tilted uterus, okay? That's the angle. This is your bladder, your cervix is perfect, and your uterus is in the back.
What's that mean?
That it will come to the front soon, around 12 weeks. Okay, but I don't need the vaginal scan, I'm fine. I can see well, you have only one, your baby is alive, and that matches with your period, so everything is perfect.
That's exciting.
Courtney, how can you have a so exotic name? You're so blonde. Shabani.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is like an Egyptian name.
I am exotic by marriage only.
I'm sorry.
It's you, but you have nothing of exotic.